Thanks everyone. Thank you for tuning in. Welcome to this session. I'm your guy here, Dr. T. Yeah, so I'm a financial expert, a professional accountant, I'm a general tax practitioner, and many other things. So I just want to take this time and actually teach you to do a couple of things, which you can do them by yourself. So on today's session, I just want to show you in terms of how to go about in terms of getting yourself a tax clearance for your company. So we no longer call it tax clearance, we call it actually tax PIN. So I just want to show you how to get that one without even going to SARS or even without approaching any professional accountant or general tax practitioner or a tax practitioner or whoever who deals with them. So some of these things you can just do them because SARS has made life easier for everyone, so that they can definitely not struggle, because I understand that we as small emerging companies, in most cases the cost, the finances for doing all these things, the charges by the accountants, they sometimes become too much on ourselves. So I just want to show you how you can get them. And first of all, you can just go to Google and search for SARS tax clearance certificate. Just want to do this within a very short space of time, in less than 5 minutes, so that you shouldn't get bored. So once you have searched for this, you click on how to request a tax compliance status. Once you click on it, it will direct you to the SARS website, of which first thing that you need to do, you click on the first thing here that simply say 5 February 2021. You can request your tax compliance status here. Yeah, as I was saying, then once you click the link, it's gonna take you from SARS website. As you have clicked, it's gonna take you to the tax compliance system, where you have to select the tax type that you want. Is it for good standing, for tender, for immigration, or for foreign investment? And I'll advise you to select for good standing, unless specifically one for tender, immigration, or any other thing. So this one, you leave it at 12 months. Then the company, here is the entity type. You select the type of, the type of an entity. If you are requesting this actually tax PIN for yourself as an individual, or for someone, for company, for trust, or for any other reason. So we'll leave it at company. And once we click at company, we just have to populate the company registration number here. I'm just gonna use the company registration number. Then we come here, we are looking for tax type, and we are required to put in our tax reference number. As before getting there, sometimes I know in most cases we don't know the tax reference number of the companies, or we were never made aware of it, because sometimes your company was registered by someone and he never gave you such communication that was received from SARS. Because these days, every time when we register a company, CIPC and SARS, they work hand in hand. Already you are allocated a tax number, and it's going to be sent to you either via email or an SMS. So now, if you don't know your tax number for the company, you can visit the BIS portal. We used to get our tax numbers from a CIPC website, but now things have changed. We're just going to use the BIS portal, but with BIS portal, you must have an account as well. You must register, have an account, because for you to get it, you must log in. So you either have to choose in here if you're going to search your company using an enterprise name or enterprise number, of which I believe enterprise number is the best. I'm just gonna type it quickly here. Then I'm just gonna search quickly, and this portal will definitely give you the company details in here, of which it will give you the enterprise details and everything, addresses and everything. And without wasting time, I'm just going to take you straight where you have to go. Here will be the information about the directors, auditors, and annual returns. I'll make another session where I teach you how to do your annual returns without consulting anyone. So, but what's very important, it is us here now looking for the tax number. You find it on other details. You can copy it as it is and take it and put it here on your tax compliance system and generate a certificate. Then there will be this captcha which you need to validate. I'm just gonna do it quickly here, then validate. It changes from time to time. Once you have put the correct information, then it's gonna populate the entire information about your company, your cell number, your email address, where your tax pin is gonna be sent to. So coming here, you're just gonna have to put in your ID number and select the country, of which obviously South Africa. Therefore, yeah, then you can just submit. But before you submit, if you are a tax practitioner, you are doing for someone, therefore you click in here and it's gonna open this tab where you need to select if you're a tax practitioner, taxpayer representative, but we're not gonna go there. If this is actually for a joint venture or partnership, you also click here, but for now we don't click anyway. Then we just submit. You will get this confirmation. Just simply say thank you for your submission. Correspondent will be issued shortly, and you can click thank you there and you are done. After doing that, you can visit your email address and check for your confirm tax pin. And getting your tax pin in this fashion, you get this information from SARS, and when you open it, usually it shows like this. So don't be afraid when it shows like this. I'll advise you to download it, and once you have downloaded it to your computer, once you open it, just to add in, sometimes it becomes a challenge, honestly, to open our tax pin. But once you have downloaded it and you open it on your desktop, you have to download it. Look for where you have downloaded it. When you open it, definitely the details will open. So I can guarantee you the tax pin, when you try to open it from your email address, sometimes it will give you a serious problem. Then you can definitely download it. You have to download it from your emails, then open it from your the place from your computer directly where you have actually downloaded it. From your cell phone, I can tell you it's gonna give you a hard time to open, but from your computer, you download it from your email so that you can be able to open it. I hope this is helpful, guys. This is one of the things that you need to do in terms of you obtaining your your tax your tax pin for your company. Hopefully this will help you. By doing this already, you know that you are sorted. Then we'll talk about how to do your returns for your small company as well on the next sessions and other matters that we'll be dealing with. Thank you very much and all the best.